Hi friends, I have started a new tutorial. Okay, that is nothing but how to sell your videos in online. Okay, so this is our project AM. So if you know Python well, then how you can build this project. Okay, so friends, to build this project, okay, using Django. So first requirements, what are the requirements you should have? Okay, these are the skills. So you should have the skills to build this e-commerce project. Okay, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and you should have the strong skills on Python. And if you know Django, it is well. If you don't know Django, you can build the application. Why we are starting from basics to advanced level. Okay, so even if you don't know Django, forget about this. Okay, you can learn it. And you should have one database skill. Okay, okay, you don't need, but if you have the skills, it is better to you. Okay, so this is a database. Okay, payment gateway, we have one payment gateway. In this project we are using Razor Pay. So what is the payment gateway here? So to collect the money from the user, okay, from the customer, or okay, so we have to introduce, we have to configure payment gateway in our project. That is very very important. So once your project is done, where you have to deploy, so you have to deploy in the remote server. So that is nothing but we have to install Ubuntu server by taking from DigitalOcean. This is a cloud computing platform. Once we everything is ready, then we have to assign the domain to our IP address. So actually this is the process, friends. Okay, so at the end of this project you will learn how to sell your project, sorry, how to sell your videos in online, and how to receive the money from the user or customer. Okay, that you will learn. Okay, so here before starting this project, okay, so first we should know, if any project, okay, so for example, you want to develop a website. Just assume you want to develop a website. Okay, so here, to develop a website, what are the stages are there? Let me explain clearly. 1 minute, friends. Okay, I'm waiting for this. Yeah. Okay, so to build a website, a complete website in a company, so they are following some stages. Okay, this is whatever the image I am showing right now. This is just a rough diagram. Okay, just assume the development like this. Okay, so first stage, in this stage we have the designers. So what designers do? Designers develop some mockups. Okay, some mockups. So mockups is nothing but that. So how our project, sorry, how our website looks like. So they will design some design parts. Okay, so if the client accept those designs, okay, if the client accept the designs, then here we have the front end developers. Okay, these front end developers converts these images into static files. Okay, static files, static HTML files. Okay, by using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, by using these technologies, they build static files. So we call these developers, we call the front end developers. Front end developers. Okay, once they build these static files, then they submit this static files to the backend developers. So what these backend developers do? Okay, they get the data from database, and they render this data in these static files, and finally they make static files to dynamic files. These are the work done by this web developer, sorry, backend developer. So in this area actually we are working. So who know Django, the Django? So these people we called backend developers. Okay, backend developers. Once our application is ready, so once our application is ready, then this application is moves to the tester. Tester will test this website. If everything is goes, then they move to the production server. Okay, after, okay, this is production server. Once the website into this production, then it is available to the public. Okay, so actually this is not the exact flow, but this is the a rough flow. Okay, you will understand better idea, right? See here, where the front end developers are there, where the back end developers are there. Okay, how this data we receive, so there is a other stages are there. Okay, to collect the data we have different stages. Okay, yeah, so actually this is the just this is the process. Okay, to build data, to build a website. Okay, yeah, understood, right? Now I will show you some tools. Okay, see this area. Okay, so to build a website, take a company in this take one company. The company follows these are the strategies. Okay, so if you want to build a website, okay, using Python, okay, using Django, okay, okay, and you are working for a company. Okay, just if you are working for a company, okay, so what are the skills you should have? Okay, if you are working for your own, then you don't need to learn all these concepts. Okay, if you are working for a company, you should have these skills. Okay, so this is a Python, so you should have the strong Python basic skills. Okay, and you should have one of the framework uh, in the Python. Okay, so in Python we have number of frameworks to build a website. Okay, to build web applications, but mostly the most popular frameworks are Django and Flask. Okay, these are the most uh, useful frameworks in Python to build web applications. Okay, you should have the skills. So if you wanna, if you want to, sorry, if you wanna get job on on Django or Python, you should have these skills. Okay, next other language. So you are building the website, right? You should have HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and SQL queries basics, at least basics. For example, you are a backend developer, so we already discussed where backend developer is there. So you are a backend developer, then you should have these skills. Why? We are getting the data from database, and we are making these static files to dynamic. To make these static files to dynamic, you should have the skills, you should have the basic skills of this HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and SQL. Must and should. Okay, must and should, you should have the basic skills. Okay, so this is the version controller. So version controller is nothing but, for example, you are writing okay, sorry, you are writing the code in your local machine. Okay, you are writing your code in local machine. This code will store in the one place. Okay, central repository. Okay, repository. So number of developers works, right? These all developers code will store here in this repository only. Okay, so if you are working for a company, you should have the one version controller. In market, in online, we have number of version controllers, but at least one, the most popular is Git. So better to learn the Git. Okay, before before getting the job in a company. Okay, yeah, this is very important. At least you should have the basics. Okay, must and should basics are very important. And the database comes to database. So you are working with backend, you are a backend developers, right? So what is your work? You have to make the pages dynamically. So where the data comes from database, so at least one database you need. Okay, so in our project, how to sell videos in online, that in that project we are using the MySQL database. So static pages are here, right? So static pages, these pages are developed by front end developers. Okay, front end developers. So these are the front end developers work. Okay, if you know basic skills, then you can also build your static pages. But you don't know, in our project we don't need to get these static pages. We buy the static pages from the online. Okay, I will explain how to do that. Okay, once everything is ready, okay, up to here, these are the skills you should have. These are the skills you should have to get a job in a company. Okay, these are must and should. Without this, you can't look search for a job. Okay, so these are very important concepts. So once everything is ready, so if you want to deploy your application in a server, we have the clouds. We have number of clouds: Amazon Web Servers, Microsoft Azure, DigitalOcean, Google Cloud instances. There are number of cloud computing platforms are there. So use one of the, okay, you can utilize. If you know one of the cloud computing platform, then it is a plus point to your job. If you don't know, no, it's not a problem to you. Okay. Yeah, so whatever the bottom I mentioned, so these are the extra skills. So some companies follow the software development methodology, some companies follows waterfall, agile, scrum. Okay, so what methodology is nothing but so here software development methodology is nothing but, so whatever the website we are building, say here we are building website, right? How you are tracking this website? Okay, so the process to build a website, or the process to build a software, that is nothing but these are the methodologies. Okay, so after that, see a project requirements to communicate. For example, 10 people, for example, I have a project, 10 people's working on this project. How to communicate each one? Okay, so to communication we need one communication tool, right? For this, so there are project management tools are there. Most popular is Jira. Okay, so if you know this Jira, then okay. If you don't know, it's not a problem. Why? Because most of the companies don't use this Jira tool. Okay, after that, continuous integration tools comes under the DevOps teams. Okay, DevOps. So who are working DevOps, that people should know these concepts, but the developers don't need to learn this one. Okay, so these are optional only. Options. Okay, these are options only, but if you want to get a job, you should have these skills. Okay, so friends, we are using these skills to we are using these softwares and tools to build our uh, sell videos application. Okay, yeah, this is the actual flow. So this is actual flow. Okay, so what you are going to learn, so these are the skills: databases, payment gateway, cloud computing platform, server, domains. Okay, so these are the skills you will learn. Okay, yeah friends. Once, so to start this program, to start the to build to sorry to build an application, first we should have some requirements, right? Okay, first what we have to install the, sorry we have to install in Python in our Python. Okay, we have to install Python, and we need the database, one local database. Okay, to build an application we need one IDE. So here we are using the PyCharm IDE. So these are the, so friends, so this is the concept. Okay, and next video we will start with the installation part. Okay, yeah, thank you very much.